So here is how we can share an Instagram profile in YouTube description. Let's get started, and if you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up, so I don't want you to miss them. Now, of course, open up your Instagram, go to your profile like this, and click on a share profile. So it's going to give you this QR code, which you can obviously take a screenshot or download, but we are interested in the link. So we're going to click on a link, copy link, right? And then we can move over to our YouTube channel. So you can go to the YouTube, go to your profile as well, and you need to just click on the editing of the profile, right? So just go to your channel and tap on the pencil icon next to it. So you can change the settings in here and all of that kind of stuff, right? And you can basically just add it to the description, for example, right? So you will have the ability to add it like so. So you can just paste it into the description, right? And you can just add it like that. However, using a desktop version, you might as well just log into your account or, your channel that way. And you will have more options because you will have the ability to click on customize the channel, and you'll have the ability to add a social media links, right? So you'll see a special links page where you can type in a title, which is going to be Instagram, and you can then paste your profile right there. So it works a bit different on the desktop version, but yeah, you can also just paste it in the description, or for example into your YouTube video description. So it kind of depends on how exactly you want to do this. If you want it to be part of your channel or part of just the video, right? That's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it on your device. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.